Hello students, our next standard inverse trigonometric function is given as sec inverse of x. Means if y is equal to sec inverse of x, where mod of x greater than equal to 1 and the range of y is between 0 to pi, then the first order derivative of y means dy by dx is given as 1 upon x under root of x square minus 1. Okay, let us prove this result. इसका आइए प्रूफ करते हैं. इसका प्रूफ कैसे करना है? That is very easy. The proof of this result. Since y is equal to sec inverse of x, okay, then x is equal to then x is equal to sec of y. Next step is find the derivative of x with respect to y and written as dx by dy. Dx by dy is equal to, and we know that derivative of sec of y with respect to y is given as sec of y into tan of y. Okay, and since we have to find the derivative means dy by dx, but here we have dx by dy, so we have to take the revert, we have to take the reciprocal of dx by dy, so we get dy by dx is equal to, this becomes 1 upon sec of y into tan of y, and this is equal to 1 upon. Since students we have to find the result in the form of x, but so here we are free to replace sec y by x. हमें अपना रिजल्ट x में चाहिए. क्यों चाहिए? Since dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x under root of x square minus 1, so यहाँ पे हम रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. sec y can be replaced by x since x is equal to sec y. sec y का रिलेशनशिप x से है, बट tan y को हम डायरेक्ट x में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते, x से रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकते. ओके, सो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू चेंज tan y इन द फॉर्म ऑफ sec y, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ sec y. कैसे करेंगे? देखिए, इसको आप वैसा कॉपी पेस्ट कीजिए. क्यों? क्योंकि sec y को हम x से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. सो इसको आप लिख दीजिए means sec of y, tan y means under root of sec square of y minus 1. Since we know that 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square y, so sec square y minus 1 is equal to tan square of y, and this is equal to, यहाँ लिखिए 1 upon under root of sec y is x, under root of sec y is also x, so we have x square minus 1, so we have dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x into under root of x square minus 1. This one is our final result, where if y is equal to sec inverse of x, then the derivative of y with respect to x is given as 1 upon x under root of x square minus 1. Mod of x is always greater than equal to 1. x हमेशा 1 से बड़ा होना चाहिए. 1 के इक्वल रखा तो 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so this one is our result. Please take a note, students.